Ladies and gentlemen of the internet, my name is Casting Syndicate, and welcome. So you're probably wondering whatever happened to the featured channels here on the right side of the screen. Let me just back out. There would usually be a featured channel here on the right side, but then now that's gone. I'm gonna show you a really quick tutorial. I'm not gonna go around and beat around the bush. I'm just gonna show you how to do it. So I'm gonna flash it on the screen. I'm gonna leave it in the description as well. All you have to do is this. So what you want to do is just copy and paste the text that I put on the description. This works on the new 2020 part of YouTube because YouTube's always changing. So basically, you need to have your YouTube link. It ends here with the question mark, or if there's something else here, then remove it and just add the text that I put on the description. And there you have it. You're gonna have featured channels over here. If you think you're having a hard time following the guide, you can always go to your drop down here on the top right, click your channel, so it automatically goes to your channel, and it goes view as subscriber. All you gotta do is just remove that and just make sure you have the link here. It makes sure that it is your YouTube link without the subscriber, without the whatever it is there, and then just copy paste. Question mark disable underscore polymer equals true. And then it brings you here to the old style of YouTube. So it adds featured channels over here. Yeah, that's gonna be it. Thank you very much for watching, everyone. Once again, my name is Casting Syndicate. Have a great day.